Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, we have a partnership with Webull where when you use our link and deposit at least 1 cent, they're gonna send you up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. I use Webull right here. It's a stock trading app and I use it to buy and sell stocks and crypto. It's a really awesome app. It's called Webull. We have a link below. It's a legit partnership where literally all you have to do is make a deposit of at least 1 cent and they're gonna send you 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. So use our link below for Webull and let's get started with the video. So if you're an Uber driver and you want to make more money, this is your best friend, airports. Because you can make a ton of money doing airport rides.
Yeah, it's true.
Like, think about when you've gone to the airport as a passenger and you need a ride and you're like, well, I'll just take an Uber even if it's going to cost me 50, 60 bucks. Think about the drivers making $40 on that ride. I mean, that's a good paying ride. If you can do a few of those a day, you know, you can make some solid money. And sometimes you can make like 80 bucks on a ride to the airport. And another thing is too, a lot of times with surge pricing, passengers, they don't have the luxury of waiting. They got to get to their flight. They're going to pay the surge price even if it's, you know, really expensive, and you as the driver, you get to take advantage of that.
Yeah.
So, and there's always those crazy stories where their flight got delayed and, you know, they got a friend in town, so they're just going to take a Uber instead of, you know, their flight got canceled, so they're just going to take a long Uber ride to another city, and it's like a $100, $200 ride. If you position yourself around airports, you're going to start consistently getting higher paying rides.
Yeah.
So one way to kind of make sure you kind of hack the system with Uber and Lyft is use your destination filters and put your destination to an airport. That way you'll get a ride to the airport. You'll skip the airport queue and just get paired up with another ride leaving. And that way you'll get more airport rides.
Yeah, that's pretty smart.
Yeah, and you can look like this guy too.
Yeah, guys, if you're not wearing a suit and bow tie while driving for Uber, you're doing it all wrong.
Yeah, for real. You ain't gonna get the tips and ratings if you don't look like this guy.
Yeah, you need the cleaned up beard.
That thing is sharp. He's got a sharp jawline. Honestly, can't tell if it's a sharp jawline or just a sharp cut that he's got on his beard.
I think it's the cut of the beard.
He's got no jawline, but like a just razor cut line on his beard.
Yeah, there's a life hack. If you don't have a jawline, but you're able to grow a beard, just shave the beard to make your own jawline.
Yeah, like Dan Bilzerian.
Yeah.
You guys seen this guy? I don't want to get demonetized, but like... But look at this guy's beard, bro. This dude's got like the pointiest beard of the 21st century. Yeah, because I mean, well, I don't want to show that because he's literally holding something I can't show, but... What do you think? This is peak male performance, guys. Your face. Anyways, back to Uber. So yeah, you got to look like this guy. Trim your beard up. Wear a freaking bow tie, bro. I'm sorry, but if I got into an Uber and I had this guy wearing a bow tie, I'd be like, bro. I don't know. I feel a little interesting. Do not wait in the queue if it's too long. Yeah, do not wait in the queue for an hour. It's the worst thing you can do.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching today's video. And again, when you use our link below to sign up for Webull and deposit at least 1 cent, they're gonna send you up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. Webull is an awesome stock trading app that I personally use to buy and sell stocks. So use our link below to sign up for Webull and deposit at least 1 cent, and they're gonna send you all the way up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.